Welcome back to Shrujna and me. Today in this video I am going to show you silk thread bangles for party wear. These bangles looks very pretty on heavy sarees. To do this I have taken plastic bangles, silk threads, 4 bunches, stone lace, oval shaped kundans, round shaped kundans and glue. To do these bangles it cost me around 320 rupees. I have taken single color to wrap all these big and small size bangles. 6 big size bangles I have taken. Each pair cost 20 rupees. 3 into 20 60 rupees. Small size bangles 2 sets. Each set cost 20 rupees. 20 into 2 40 rupees. Stone lace 2 meters 30 rupees. Oval shaped kundans 4 packets. Each packet cost 40 rupees. So 4 into 40 is 160 rupees. Round shaped kundans 1 packet 40 rupees. First I will take 40 strings of silk threads. Now I will apply glue to the one end of this silk thread bunch as well as to the bangle, and I will stick these threads to the bangle. Once it get dry, I will wrap these silk threads around the bangle in this way. Now it came to the end point, so just I will trim this extra threads and I will stick these threads to the bangle with glue. In this way I will wrap silk thread to all these bangles. To the small bangles, just I am going to stick small round shaped kundans. To maintain equal distance between two kundans, first I will trace this bangle outline onto the paper and I'll give 1 inch markings. Now I'll place this bangle at each marked location. I'll stick kundans with the help of glue. Now I'll take this big bangle. At the center of the bangle, first I will apply glue and I'll stick this stone lace. Once it get dry, I will stick this oval shaped kundans with the help of the glue to the both sides of the stone lace with 4 mm gap. Now final output will be like this. We can mix up these bangles with other bangles also. I have mixed up these bangles with plain gold metal bangles. This is how it looks. I hope sharing this idea may really helpful for you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.